Dr. Donald Hohman, orthopedic surgeon with the Texas Orthopedic Associates in Dallas, Texas. I'm a board-certified, fellowship-trained joint replacement surgeon. I specialize in joint replacements of the hip and the knee. Some of the technology we've explored with the Hohman company has been also really quite interesting. One of the things that I found to be the most interesting is their ability to perform the functional positioning protocol and help you provide or help you create a three-dimensional plan for that hip operation for that individual patient and account for their individual parameters with the way that their hip and their spine might interact. This can help you identify some very high-risk patients and help you make choices in implant selection that can help minimize their risk of problems post-operatively. Some of the other things that we've explored with the Hohman company and are becoming more and more comfortable with and utilizing more frequently is their robotics platform, and their knee robotics platform has shown great promise, and we'll also be incorporating this on a larger scale in our practice moving forward.